Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make taco guacamole. First, select 3 ripe avocados. Slice them in half, carefully remove the pit, and scoop the creamy green flesh into a bowl. This forms the essential base for our delicious guacamole. A good avocado makes all the difference, so choose wisely for optimal taste and texture. Next, let's add some vibrant flavors. Finely dice 1/4 cup of red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro, then add them to the bowl. Squeeze the juice from 1/2 a lime over everything. The lime juice brightens the flavors and helps prevent browning, keeping your guacamole looking fresh and appealing. Now it's time to season and mash. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to the mixture. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the ingredients. Remember to leave some small chunks of avocado for a more satisfying and authentic texture. Don't overmash. We want some character. For a little kick, stir in 1 small diced jalapeno, removing the seeds if you prefer less heat. Give your guacamole a taste and adjust the salt, lime, or pepper as needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. Serve this fresh, homemade taco guacamole immediately with your favorite tacos or tortilla chips. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.